treVolo S electrostatic speaker by BenQ. A portable Bluetooth speaker with a glossy design and two foldable speaker panels. This speaker was delivered free of charge as a test sample, so thank you. The speaker has a bunch of different things packed into it, like a 3D mode for sound, long-lasting batteries, and much more. Check out their website for more information. The speaker comes with what you would expect at this point: a power supply, the speaker, and a fancy looking bag. Now the speaker. On the back you'll find the micro USB and an auxiliary cable port, giving you the option to use music straight from the computer, letting you listen to uncompressed audio files for the perfect quality. On the top of the speaker are all the buttons, including the mode switch for turning on the aforementioned 3D mode, which, when activated, instantly transforms your room into a lifehouse. Is it true? Well, for the most part, yeah. Recording it with a microphone, then compressing that file and uploading it on YouTube where it gets compressed once more wouldn't do it justice or give you an idea of what it's like. But still, you will find audio samples at the end of the video. But you have to be at the same level with the speaker and in its vicinity, otherwise the sound does deteriorate and you won't be getting the full experience. Anyway, I'm getting a little sidetracked because I still haven't gone deeper into the side panels, which honestly make the whole thing look like the dinosaur from the Jurassic Park. These side panels are what makes the speaker go up and beyond and justify its price tag. If the speaker is at the perfect height, then this can serve as a great stand-in for a HiFi system, which would easily take up the entire corner of your room. I mean, it does seem very aesthetic and would most likely improve the overall feel of your living space. What's more is that the whole package has an extremely pleasing build quality. Good luck getting through the front grille. Now, if you're looking to get yourself an early Christmas present, then check the description for a 10% off code to this speaker. That will do it for now. Cue the music.